Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, winter is here and during this winter season we all need to take care of our skin little extra, and if you guys following me for long you know that how much I love Plum products and how many times I have recommend a Plum green tea range. And guys, my T-zone is little oily, my cheeks are little dry, and that's why I prefer to use Plum green tea range. But during this month of December my skin feels literally dry, and to take care of my skin, Plum sent me some of their products, and they have sent me 3 goodies. And this is their Illuminance Cleansing Balm, and this Glow Glitter Mask, and this Glow Restore facial oil blends. So there is a sale on Plum website. This is Plum HoliYAY Sale, and this is the biggest sale of the year from 18th December to 21st December. So the sale is live now and you're gonna get up to 40% off site-wide on Plums. And guys, not only that, you're gonna get this body loving mini duo kit with all the orders above $8.99, and they have sent me these 2 goodies. This is shower gel and this is a body mist. And guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about the 3 goodies they have sent me, and I'm loving to use them in this winter. So yeah, let's get started. So the first product I have a Plum E-Luminence Simple Supple Cleansing Balm. Now I already have this balm, and guys, if you following me for long on Instagram you may know that how much I love this product, and I had posted a lot of Instagram videos using this product. The best part of this product is this is not for any particular skin types. If you have dry skin, oily skin or combination skin, anyone can use this product. I love to use this to remove my makeup, but you can use this as your daily cleanser. This cleansing balm is non-drying, sulfate free, and it has a luxurious touch of 8 plant waxes, oils, butters and vitamin E. It's a very good makeup cleansing product. It removes all your waterproof makeup. Company says that it can be used instead of soap to remove dust and germs from your skin. Generally, I used it to clean my makeup, and after that I use Plum face wash. The next product I have this Chamomile and White Tree Glow Glitter Face Mask. Now this mask is especially designed to treat dry skin. This is a clay based mask with chamomile extract, white tree leaf extract, licorice root extract and 5 hyper antioxidant, and you have to just apply this mask, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it with normal water. And you should apply this mask once in a week, and it gives your skin the weekly break it deserves. Now the next and the last product I have this Plum Glow Glitter Facial Oil Blend. This facial oil blend is made of a unique combination of 100% plant-based oils like a grapeseed oil, sea buckthorn oil, sunflower oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, rose hip oil, etc, etc. It helps to prevent skin dryness and restore the natural and healthy glow. So guys, I love to use this product at night before bed in this winter season. And guys, this is the oil. Okay, you can literally feel that oil on your face, and this is a very good product for dry skin peoples. And if you have super dry skin, then I think this is one of the products you need to deal with your dryness. So guys, that's all about the product, and if you have dry skin then these 3 goodies will be your top picks during this sale. And now just let me quickly show you these 2 goodies, these 2 minis. I actually have a regular pack of this shower gel, and the fragrance is kind of a very fruity floral fragrance. And guys, when you use this mist after using this shower gel, the fragrance stay for long, and I think you're gonna love this too. And and all the Plum products are cruelty free, paraben free and 100% vegan product. And guys, the sale is live now on Plum website, so just go and shop and collect your mini duo. And guys, that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.